welcome to our Hikmat channel. Today topic was advanced pricing in Magento 2. Setting up advanced pricing is one of the advanced setting you will get on the specific product setting page. It offers customer better price to encourage them to spend more, boost traffic and clear old stock. In today's blog, we'll synthesize the four types of Magento 2 advanced pricing and learn how to configure them. Special price. Offer customers a low price than the regular one. Let's set this type of special pricing. Sign in to our Magento admin panel. In the admin sidebar, go to Catalog, Products. Select the product you want to apply the advanced pricing to. So we take a Magento 2 simple product named Joe's Duffel Bag as an example. Okay. Under the price field, click advanced pricing. After clicking on advanced pricing, a side panel will appear so that you can set up the product price. Special price. In order to apply a special price to an item, store admins need to configure a lower price for that product and arrange its effective duration. When the offer is over, the price of this item will go back to normal on the product detail page and fill the special price. 30. Set date, special price. And finalize the changes, tap done at the top of the page. You will be redirected to the product page and tap save the product. And here the message is you saved the product. And go to the front end page. Select the specific product. Okay. And see the advanced price using special price is successfully applied. Okay guys, thanks for watching.